Hi, I am Dr. S. Prakash, Director Research, Chief Coordinator, Negru Group of Institution, Coimbatore. Negru Group of Institution, NewGen IEDC is a business innovation and incubation center that support innovative idea of students at college level. The scheme is supported by NSTEDB, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, New Delhi, with grant of rupees 2.87 crores and hosted by Negru Group of Institution, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Negru Group of Institution is one among the 26 academic institutions in India and only institution in Coimbatore selected by DST for implementing at NewGen IEDC. NGA NewGen IEDC provides rupees 2.5 lakhs per idea as students startup grant in aid for prototype development in 1 year. I feel very proudly say that currently we have 25 student startup incubated in our NewGen IEDC. We have 10 student startups for the year of 2019-20 who have developed that prototype. For the year of 2020, we have finalized 15 student startups who are in the journey for developing the prototype will be useful in the society. My hearty wishes to all the students and their mentor selected for grant in aid of rupees 2.5 lakhs during the year of 2020 for successful completion of their product. Their prototype will bring new innovation and new product to the country to develop its economy. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. T. Jayaprakash, Associate Professor in Physics, Nehru Institute of Technology. I feel proud and very much delighted as a mentor for this innovation, environmental sensing using quadcopter for mining and exploration. Under NGA NewGen IEDC, our startup company AVGV Quadcopter Innovators has been registered in Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises in the academic year 2019-20.
Hi, I am Gaurav Shankar of first year Aeronautical Engineering from Nehru Institute of Technology. Our NewGen IEDC project title is Environmental Sensor for Mining and Exploration. We are a team of Aparna, Vaishnavi and Vasif. Nowadays, mining industry contributes a significant part to the economic growth in India. Along with the mining industry, the need for the new technologies to help the miners are also increasing. We need new technologies for detecting and exploring the areas where the miners cannot be reached. For overcoming these problems, we have developed an environmental sensing using a quadcopter, which will help the miners to collect the information about the environmental condition over there. With the help of the environmental sensors, we will detect the temperature, pressure, humidity and gases present over there. This information about the areas will be useful for the miners to proceed further in their mining process, so that we develop and innovate this environmental sensing using quadcopter. It can be useful to monitor the environment with the help of the data collected by the sensor, which will be useful for many other studies. Our quadcopter can be piloted by manually and also by autonomously. The onboard sensor transmits the data to the ground controlling station. Also, our quadcopter has the camera. From this, we can get the real-time video transmission. Thank you.
My sincere and wholehearted thanks to our chairman and managing trustee, Advocate Dr. P. Krishnadas sir, and our beloved CEO and Secretary Dr. P. Krishnakumar sir for their continuous support and motivation throughout this startup. I also thankful to my Chief Coordinator of NGA NewGen IEDC, Dr. S. Prakash sir, and my respected Principal, Dr. K.P. Arulsri sir, for their wonderful guidance. My hearty congratulations and thank to Mr. Kobi Shankar and his team for their excellent teamwork. Finally, I thank all the well-wishers and supporters for the successful completion of the product. Thank you all.